The LifeStraw Personal Water Purifier is a remarkable piece of survival gear designed for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. It stands out due to its ability to remove 99.999999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and salmonella, and 99.999% of waterborne parasites such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. This level of filtration is essential for anyone who spends time outdoors or wants a reliable source of safe drinking water in emergency situations. The purifier also removes microplastics down to 1 micron and reduces turbidity to 0.2 microns, which means it effectively clears out dirt, sand, and cloudiness from natural water sources. These features make it a highly effective tool for ensuring clean water from rivers, lakes, and streams, which is crucial for survival and health when away from treated water supplies. One of the most impressive aspects of the LifeStraw is its rigorous testing and verification. All filtration claims have been validated by laboratories following standard testing protocols set by the US EPA, NSF, and ASTM for water purifiers. This independent verification adds a layer of trust and reliability that is often missing in similar products. Users can be confident that the LifeStraw performs as advertised, providing peace of mind when it matters most. The device itself is compact and lightweight, measuring approximately 8.66 inches long and less than an inch in diameter, and weighing only 0.06 kilograms. This makes it extremely portable and easy to carry on any outdoor adventure or to keep in emergency kits without adding bulk or weight. The design is simple yet effective, requiring no electricity or battery power, which is a significant advantage in remote or power outage scenarios. Its durable construction uses BPA-free materials, ensuring that the water remains safe and free from harmful chemicals. The LifeStraw has a long lifetime, capable of filtering up to 4,000 liters or 1,000 gallons of water before needing replacement. This longevity makes it a cost-effective investment for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency planners alike. It is a product that can be relied upon for years, which is particularly important when preparing for survival situations where access to clean water is critical. Users consistently praise the LifeStraw for its ease of use and convenience. Many reviews highlight how it is a cool little thing to have around, perfect for hikes, camping trips, or simply as part of an emergency preparedness bag. The straw allows direct drinking from water sources, which is especially handy during activities like kayaking, where carrying and using larger filtration systems can be cumbersome. The included neck lanyard keeps the straw accessible and ready for use at any moment. The LifeStraw is also valued for the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that you can safely drink from almost any natural water source without fear of contamination is a significant comfort. This feature alone makes it a must-have item for anyone who spends time in the wilderness or lives in areas prone to natural disasters where water supply might be compromised. Some users mention that while the LifeStraw is excellent for immediate filtration, it is still advisable to boil water when possible or use it as a secondary filter for added safety. This cautious approach highlights the product's role as a reliable frontline defense against waterborne pathogens rather than a substitute for all water treatment methods. The LifeStraw's reputation is reinforced by its high customer ratings, with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars from nearly 120,000 reviews. This overwhelming positive feedback reflects widespread satisfaction and trust in the product's performance. Many customers have gifted the LifeStraw to family members, such as grandchildren, further demonstrating its appeal as a practical and thoughtful survival tool. In addition to its functional benefits, the LifeStraw brand supports a social cause. For every product purchased, a school child in need receives safe drinking water for an entire school year. This initiative adds a meaningful dimension to the purchase, allowing buyers to contribute to global water safety efforts. Overall, the LifeStraw Personal Water Purifier is a highly effective, reliable, and user-friendly device that addresses the critical need for safe drinking water in outdoor and emergency situations. Its advanced filtration technology, portability, and proven track record make it an essential item for hikers, campers, travelers, and anyone preparing for emergencies. The product's durability and ease of use ensure that it will be a dependable companion for years to come. If you have experience with the LifeStraw, leaving a review in the comments can help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to purchase this product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This purifier is truly one of those better to have it and not needed items that can make a life-saving difference when it counts.